Hello guys, so once again welcome back to usdt TV. So please and please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, kindly subscribe to the channel, like my videos, comment on my videos, and also don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell for more updates on how to make money online. So today guys, I'll be showing you a new usdt mining platform that is newly launched, and you guys should take the advantage and make money right now. So without further ado, let's jump onto this strategy right now. So guys, there's this site called usdtmore.vip. Don't worry about the link, it's in my description box. Kindly click on it so that I could be able to lead you to the right platform. So guys, in order to join this particular platform, first of all, I'll sign out so that I'll show you guys how to register a new account. So I just sign out and I'll click on the register button down here. So I'll show you guys how to register a new account. When you come here, just type in your email over here, then you do this verification, then you type in your password, you confirm the password, your transaction password, then the invitation code. So guys, you need to use my referral link, else you get an invitation code. I already have the account, so I'll just click on login. So I'll just So I'll click on login right now. So guys, as you can see from here, they say that if you sign up a new account with them, they'll give you a total amount of 12 USDT. So for the VIP 0, they'll give you a total amount of 12 USDT. So guys, this is the dashboard of the account, of my account over here. This is a newly launched site. You guys should take the advantage and make money now. So if you are in Nigeria, if you are in Ghana, if you are in Bangladesh, if you are in Pakistan, if you are in US, if you are in UK, you can join this particular platform and make money with it. So first of all, you need to click on the rule over here. So with their rules and regulations, they are saying that if you register a new account, they will give you a total amount of 12 USDT. So you need to deposit a total amount of 10 USDT to be promoted to VIP 1 and start earning. So you can also invite your friends and family so that I could be able to get more. So after recharging the 10 USDT, you get a total amount of 22 USDT. So the rebate or the total profit will be 2.2 USDT daily commission. So guys, this site is cool, just launched yesterday. Take the advantage and make money right now. So guys, how cool is this? You guys should jump on it right now and make money. So in order to make deposit on this particular platform, just click on the recharge button over here. So when you click on the recharge button, you could see that there will be a pop-up USDT address over here. So you just click on the copy. When you click on the copy, you see success over here. After that, go back to your wallet, go and send the 10 USDT on this platform so that I could be able to do the tax over here. So as soon as you deposit the 10 USDT, you click on confirm. When you come here, then you click on market over here. So you'll be given a daily tax that you do in order to get the money. So if you want to withdraw to, you just click on the withdrawal button over here. So when you click on it, you need to first of all enter your this one, your referral, your withdrawal address and your password before you can actually withdraw money over here. So the minimum deposit is just 1 USDT and there is no fee for this operation. So guys, how cool is this? So as you can see from here, they also have some other VIPs over here that you can actually join. So like I was saying, this one you don't need to deposit 22 USDT, you just need to deposit only 10 USDT. So I won't encourage you guys to join the other platforms, the other VIPs. Just use the normal VIP, deposit only 10 USDT and start earning right now. So guys, when you click on mine over here too, you can check for funding details, withdrawal, recharge, transaction details, withdrawal method, and all other stuff, guys. Also, you can share with your friends and your family so that you could be able to earn more. This is your invitation code and your invite link over here. You can click on it to copy. Then you see copy successfully so that you can share with your friends on your social media platforms. So guys, that's what you basically need to know on this particular platform in order to earn more money on the crypto market or the crypto world. So guys, thank you all for watching Crypto Denzel. Join this platform and make money quick. So guys, thank you all for watching Crypto Denzel TV.